Number 3 says, after 2 hours, Heather had earned $18.75 at her lemonade stand. After 5 hours, she had earned $50.25. Assuming a linear function, write an equation in the form y is equal to mx plus b that shows the revenue earned from selling lemonade for x hours. So for here, we're given a lot of information, and it says after 2 hours Heather had earned $18.75. Now x is in hours and the dollars are the y value. So because this 2 hours is associated with the $18.75, that's like a point. So 2 and $18.75, that would be like your x1 and your y1. And then the 5 hours, that is associated with the $50.25. So that would be a second point. So 5 and $50.25. That'll be your x2 and your y2. Again, it's kind of important to know what's your x value, what's your y value. And again, here hours are our x value and the dollars are our y value. So I need to first find the slope. So 50.25 minus 18.75 all over 5 minus 2. And that's going to give you 31.5 over 3, which is 10.5. So now that you have the slope and 2 points, I only need to use 1 point, and I need to use point-slope form to get it into slope-intercept form. So point slope, and I'm using this to get it into slope-intercept form. So point slope would be y minus 18.75 is equal to 10.5 times x minus 2. And if I distribute that, I get 10.5x minus 21. And then if I add the 18.75 to both sides, I get 10.5 minus 2.25. And I forgot my x. There we go.